Aloha mai kako. My name is Nainoa Thompson, and we're sitting at anchor tied behind Hikianalia in the atoll called Lalo, and in a place called, right behind me is La Perouse Pinnacle, the last remaining basalt rock of this massive volcano. It's about 11 million years old. um, well, it's been a great trip. The five navigators navigated from Paneao on Ni'ihau to Nihoa. They did it really, really well. In fact, when Hikianalia gave us their the route that they had sailed, they were only 1 degree off the direct line. If you drew a line on a chart from Paneao Ni'ihau to the island of Nihoa, and then you plotted their course, they're only 1 degree off. It's pretty amazing. And they were able to sight the island at 33 miles away, which is, I think, is for us on Hōkūleʻa is a record. So they did exceptionally well. For us, though, unfortunately, the winds have died. It's barely nothing. So in order to keep all the goals and objectives that we have in this voyage, we had to tow from a portion from the Nihoa trip to Mokumanamana that we went to yesterday. And we did not go ashore. We just paid respect and aloha and love from afar, and talked about all those who are helping to protect this special place that we call our island home. And from there, yesterday evening, we towed actually from Mokumanamana to Lalo. We're in the lagoon. We dove this morning, did the first marine survey of that area since the hurricane came in 2018 called Walaka. The basic summary of what we found was much of the coral that was once there, big giant table corals, are pretty much all gone. And so that shows you the power of those hurricanes and the destruction that it can create. But at the same time, we found a lot of small coral polyps that build these big table corals. The species that builds table corals are fast growing. So we know that when the Papahānaumokuākea monument, this is one of 10 islands, when we leave nature alone, it will restore itself. And that's really exciting to us. And so this is our school. I keep saying it. This is our school. We took it underwater today into the realm of the whole 70% of the surface of the earth is covered by oceans, and this is a blue planet. It's a water planet, and the ocean is what gave us life and sustains life, and all we need to do is protect it, and humanity will be fine. So today was another great day of allowing these canoes to be able to have the privilege to come here to train our young ones in the best school of navigation to finding islands over the horizon, and at the same time the best school to come and see and learn about how ecology actually works, and that how renewal actually works. Today we got to see the children of the great table corals that will regrow and regenerate because we left nature alone. Mahalo.